Okay, even though it's probably an exercise in self-loathing, I'm going to go ahead and put together a little blooper reel, misfire videos that didn't make it on. It should be fun, entertaining. So I hope you enjoy that, the blooper reel. What do you call it, babe? Is it a blooper reel?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
These are the bad
outtakes.
Yeah, outtakes. All right. Today we want to do something a little different. All right. We're trying to do a discussion show of the movie topic. And for our very first movie discussion show, I'll call it Movie Talk. Movie Talk. Huh? We're going to discuss the film Inception. Inception, which is a wonderful sci-fi actioner by the one Christopher Nolan, and I absolutely enjoy his work to the utmost. He did a film called Memento, which was fantastic. I have it around here somewhere on DVD. This movie Inception that we saw, it stars Leonardo DiCaprio, is famous apparently, and co-star yeah, sorry, co-star Ellen Page. And I'm being rude, forgive me. I need to introduce my distinguished panel member, Mr. Rick Aka, who is a recent graduate of Wesleyan University there in North Carolina, where we currently reside. So, I mean, one of the things, I'll just speak for myself. You're involved with your burr here currently. Yeah. It's alright, it's alright. One of the things that I enjoyed the most about this movie, it was an original concept. Okay? It wasn't Iron Man 2, right? No disrespect. No. It wasn't Iron Man 2. It wasn't based on somebody else's concept.
Was it Transformers 3?
Was it Transformers 5? No, it was not. It was an original concept, but it was something. It was something new.
Right.
Okay. And that's important to me because a lot of times, and my friend Rick will tell you, I've been watching the movie and like, you know what, I've seen this 100,000 times. I don't want to watch another vampire movie. Thank you very much. I would like to see an original concept, and this one, it dropped me on my head. It dropped me on my head, and I'm accustomed to being dropped on my head. On my head, and I'm accustomed to being dropped on my head, especially by this director. Okay. Memento, it fucked with my mind, but it pretty much only did it once. And you deal with some concepts that it might be a little uncomfortable. Okay? But nothing mind fucked me like this movie Inception, let me tell you. It was thoroughly mind fucked me. On multiple levels.
Ready for your fire.
Oh.
Hey.
I threw it on the way.
Missed one.
Oh, they didn't get it.
Missed one.
Oh, man.
Fire!
Buddy, come on over here.
Okay.
Get out the way, Ike.
Come on this side. Come on this side. Ike, this side, over here by Uncle Rick. Wait, hold on. What? No. So here we are at the Staples, waiting for Rick to get off work there and pick him up from work. Well, yeah, he's coming. Look. There's Uncle Rick coming in there. What? So he's coming there and we're going to ask him what we all want to know, which is how was work? It's an important question these days and times. Apparently he looks like he's on the phone though, sadly. I don't know about that.
Yeah, your thing came up, this thing bring up and it said something about a droid was not connected somehow. saying? I ain't got no droid. I know it. I forgot if you had a droid or not.
Apparently that question is going to have to wait.
No more.
Reached the voicemail box of
Oh wait, I'm calling
9197.
See its actual voice on the speaker. Hello, can you hear me now? Peggy, is it on?
Peggy, is it on?
It's on now.
It's on speakerphone.
It's on speakerphone, okay.
This is a test
of the emergency phone, whatever, needs to cast system on your face and see if it's possible to pick up on the speakerphone on Peggy's phone, which is the most technologically advanced phone in the house.
Trying to get my movie check. Damn.
Now it is.
Even though it's probably an exercise in self-loathing, I'm gonna go ahead and do a blooper misfire.